Today I'm going to make a garden bed so that I can plant the cabbage, broccoli and cauliflower seedlings which I sowed last late part of November. The plan was to plant in this bed, but as you can see, there's still some ice, so the soil is not workable. I filled up the garden bed with kitchen scraps, dead plants, branches, leaves, anything that can be composted. I'm going to water and then put some soil. I did harden off the seedlings for 2 weeks. Hardening seedlings is acclimating them to the outer conditions for over 1 to 2 weeks, so to prevent transplant shock. So I took my seedlings for the first day for only an hour, then gradually increasing them, but make sure that there is no strong wind and no freezing temperatures. The fertilizers I'm going to use are this one, which is a non-burning fertilizer. The NPK is 533, and alfalfa meal, which is a good source of nitrogen. I just watered them using fish emulsion. These are the cabbages. I planted some of the broccoli and cauliflower seedlings in this vertical planter. The garlic plants are not looking good after the 3-day snowstorm last week. I'm going to fix this one by trimming the dying leaves and going to also fertilize them. I'm trimming the yellow or dying garlic leaves, and later I'm going to fertilize them. The fertilizer I'm going to use is the fish emulsion. These are the giant garlic that I planted